is so different from the last. It couldn't be any more different, really. This next tune is by a guy named Tom Paxton. Have y'all ever heard of Tom Paxton?
Yeah! Tom Paxton!
Yeah. And it's a song containing sound effects. You guys can help us with it if you want to. You guys want to help us with it? Yeah. Okay. So check it out. There's 3 main sound effects in this song. Zip, bop, and... Do that again on the microphone. You guys got it? I can't make that sound. Even though I was a Spanish major in college. True story. So the chorus goes, it went zip when it moved, bop when it stopped, and when it stood still. So you guys, if you can remember that, sing it with us. All right, here we go. This song is called The Marvelous Toy. When I was just a wee little lad, full of health and joy, my father homeward came one night and gave to me a toy. Oh, wonder to behold it was with many colors bright, and the first time I laid eyes on it, it became my heart's delight. It went when it moved, when it stopped, and when it stood still. I never knew just what it was, and I guess I never will. The first time that I picked it up, I had a big surprise. But right on the bottom were 2 big buttons that looked like big green eyes. I first pushed one, then the other, then I twisted its lid. And when I set it down again, this is what it did. It went when it moved, when it stopped, when it stood still. I never knew just what it was, I guess I never did. Well, it first marched left, then marched right, then marched under a chain. And when I looked where it had gone, it wasn't even there. I started to cry, but my daddy laughed, for he knew that I would fine. When I turned around, I marked this toy, and he took it from behind. It went when it moved, when it stopped, and when it stood still. I never knew just what it was, I guess I never will. And now it's time for the break. The years have gone by too quickly, it seems. I have my own little boy, and yesterday I gave to him my marvelous little toy. His eyes really popped right out of his head and gave